My name is Sundeep Kamath and I am the former secretary of the Biodynamic Association of India. I work to promote biodynamics in India and the Asian region. Agriculture, there are many challenges in agriculture but also in society. So we have agriculture central to the problems and the solution to all the problems. So we have problems like climate change, we have problems related to nutrition, either less or too much. We have problems related to the economy, and agriculture has a solution to solve these problems of the world. Biodynamics is the only method of agriculture which has a solution to all these problems because of the backing of the spiritual science called anthroposophy, which is behind it. So we have answers for nutrition, we have answers for the economy, and we can see many models around the world where biodynamics is successfully resolving these problems of climate change, nutrition, as well as economy. I work for the farmers, the small farmers of India and Asia, and to see the success, to see them coming out of poverty, to see their nutrition improving, to see a better quality of life, and to see them moving towards responsible consumption, that gives me the greatest joy.